In today's video, I'm going to show you how to freeze a video frame in CapCut PC. So start by dragging in your video clip on your timeline and make necessary adjustments like changing the duration of your clip. Then next is use the playhead to position where you want the freeze to happen on your video clip. Next is look for the freeze icon. It looks like this and select freeze. Make necessary adjustments like adjusting the length of the freeze frame for your video. And if you want to save this as an image, just click on this three-line icon in this playback window and click on export still frames. So here, add a name for your image, and of course select a destination where you want to save this. The resolution, set it to the highest resolution, and for the format, choose JPG or PNG if you need transparency, and of course toggle in the import project setting to import this image back to your project. And once done, click on the export button. And that's it. So thank you for watching this video and see you again on the next one.